hanesydd romantis dyn nhw gan nesaf am amdan haneswyr imperialaidd y gorffennol a sut maen nhw wedi sgwennu'n hanes ni dros ni a sut da ni wedi llyncu fo ond dim am hir haneswyr. Hanesydd romantis yn llawn llawenydd Myseddydd flach-lamp o dan cyberydd O breuddwyd glin, poboliad o syrta Colli control dros edward y cynta Ti fel proffwyd perverted mewn pasties pyjamas Yn chwarae solitaire efo'n hanas Oxford, Cambridge, Gwynalf was right When was Wales Put off and put up a fight Yes, listen, no try Just leave us alone You're like a dog with a bone Just like a dog with a bone Listen, no try Just leave us alone Like a dog with a bone Just like a dog with a bone Just got a plenty vote Hanesydd chwil yn yr ysgol sul Just got a plenty vote Romantic bananas with hanas on hanas I try you to speak your notes Hanesydd y dyn sy'n talu chdi A dyn sy'n prynu ni Y gisni fargan y bwta Cefn Gwlad Cymru Y packers of a culture that's where you're to me Offshore account yn Eisteddfod eleni Listen, no chum Just leave us alone You're like a dog with a bone Just like a dog with a bone Listen, no chum Just leave us alone You're like a dog with a bone Just like a dog with a bone History is more than a page in a book History is the fear crawling in your belly Just got a plenty vote Listen, no chum Just leave us alone You're like a dog with a bone Just like a dog with a bone Diolch yn fawr iawn. Mae gen Brydain Tolant dyn nhw'r